Hello everyone. In this video, we will take a detailed look at the process of installing and configuring the Whitespots portal. You can find the detailed installation guide in our documentation. Our installation guide is located on the website docs.whitespots.io. First of all, you need to connect to your server and clone the portal repository specified in documentation. Navigate to the cloned portal folder. Run the script that sets all the necessary environment variables. Our wizard-style script will ask for database parameters and other settings. We will leave everything as default for now. Make sure that the image version parameter is set correctly. Important, do not run this script twice. The last thing you need to do is run the run.hh script to start the portal. This formally completes the installation process, but we still need to create a super user. Let's wait for our portal to start up. The super user is used to log into the admin interface. If you plan to use SSO login, the super user can serve as a backup login. Now let's run the command to create the super user. Fill in the parameters for the new user. And that's it. We have successfully created our first user. Let's open the portal's web interface. The first time you log in, you will be asked to enter a license. Let's get a free license from Whitespots.io. And that's it. The license has been accepted and we can now log in as super user. Great! Our portal is ready to work. We should note that such features as auto-validator, deduplicator, CVSS, and auditor will not be available in our free version. If you are an existing customer, you already have a license. To continue, we'll enter the paid license and all the previously unavailable features will become available. If you are watching this training, we can provide you with a separate training environment. Just send us an email. You can change a license at any time by visiting the License section in the Global Settings. Now let's go back to our instructions and open the Auditor section, specifically the installation part. Make sure that your server meets the minimum requirements. Next, let's open the Docker Compose installation section. Copy and run the command to clone the Auditor repository. Navigate to the Auditor folder. Now open the .env file. We can copy all the settings without making any changes, except for the image version. As before, go to the appropriate section, copy the version number, and paste it into the file. To start the app, you should just run docker compose upd. Everything is ready. Now let's go to the Auditor interface. The default port is 8080, which you can edit in the docker compose.iml file. Create a new token. Copy the token. It's okay if you see a copy problem. It won't appear once you have an associated domain and TLS certificate. Next, open your .env file and paste the access token into it. Finally, execute the following commands: docker compose down and docker compose up. This will complete the setup. Great! Now we're ready to connect our portal and auditor. In the next videos, we will continue exploring the portal setup.